The Miranda warning. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. And now a federal court decision finds your AI chat conversations can also put you at legal risk. I'm 7 News consumer anchor Diane Lee with a look into your rights when it comes to this type of digital forensic evidence. If anyone knows how search results can impact a criminal case, it's investigator Michael Bryan with the Greenville County Sheriff's Office. He specializes in data forensics, often in cases of internet crimes against children. How crucial are online searches to many cases out there?
They're incredibly crucial because it gives us some insight to what the person was thinking. We've had cases where we initiated an investigation where a known minor was shared, but it's arguably age difficult. And then when you look at all their search history, they're looking up legal terms. On the other hand, if we find young images of somebody on somebody's phone and we see that they're searching for very young ages, it takes away the defense that it was an accident.
And just like any browser search, attorneys are now warning clients AI chatbots like Gemini and ChatGPT could be included in a digital search warrant, especially after a federal judge recently found a defendant's AI conversations seeking advice about his case were not protected under attorney-client privilege. Greenville attorney Frank Epps says AI chatbots can complicate a defense for several reasons.
As part of my initial meeting with every client, I tell them to stay off the internet for all things related to their case, and I would stand by that statement. For AI, it's not going to help them. It's going to lead to catastrophic results.
Because the prosecution knows and they'll probably look for that evidence.
In a big enough case, the prosecution will look for the evidence, but mainly it's because they're going to get bad information.
Now, in cases where you're representing yourself, the same rules don't appear to apply. In fact, a judge in Michigan found that a woman representing herself did not have to hand over her AI chats because they were considered a research tool, not a witness subject to subpoena. So does ChatGPT keep your search history even if you don't have an account? We asked the platform itself, which said yes, even if you don't have an account, some conversation data may still be temporarily retained by OpenAI for safety, abuse prevention, and operational purposes. Dr. Michelle Covington, a USC Upstate professor of criminal justice, says investigators can request data be stored longer if they believe it may contain evidence. Is it an easy process for investigators to get your prompt history in an AI program?
Not at all. Anytime that you have a reasonable expectation of privacy, where a reasonable person would assume that they were in a private situation, there are legal protections there. And generally, the companies that house that information do not freely share them with law enforcement or anyone else.
To get that information, investigators have to have probable cause and must lay out the details supporting that in an affidavit. If the judge agrees, the parent companies like OpenAI or Google that review the request with their own legal team before handing over any material. Investigator Bryan says he and his team are always careful not to review any data that falls under attorney-client privilege. But when it comes to AI chatbots,
yeah, that's not their lawyer. And ChatGPT is not a lawyer, and neither are any of the others.
Now, it's worth noting, investigators have to get a different type of warrant to search your phone than your iCloud account, and still another type to request your AI chat history. They need to show probable cause in order for a judge to grant any of those requests. To find this story or submit your own story idea, head to my Here to Help page, WSBA.com/consumer.